Are you struggling to link your Facebook account to Garena in Call of Duty Mobile? You're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through the cannot link FB to Garena error and how to fix it. First, let's talk about the common reasons why this linking issue might arise. It could be account configuration problems or even app compatibility errors. Now, let's dive into our step-by-step troubleshooting guide to resolve the linking problem once and for all. The first step in our troubleshooting is to check your account settings. Make sure your Facebook and Garena accounts are properly configured. Sometimes, a fresh start is all you need. Consider uninstalling and reinstalling Call of Duty Mobile to fix any link issues. Don't forget to clear the app cache for both Facebook and Garena apps. This can resolve many linking problems. If issues still persist, we'll explore some alternative linking methods that might just do the trick. Let's hear from some fellow players who've faced this problem and found success with these fixes. Finally, let's discuss some preventative measures to avoid similar linking issues in the future. To wrap things up, we hope this guide has helped you fix your linking issue. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to share your experience and subscribe for more gaming tips.